Racing just started. We have Mayor Bulaklakin break quickly restart. And on the outside, Asikuda, Tricky Charlies. Then moving up is Ifira in the middle portion. Midnight break. My Jopeng while Alice Wonderland is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. When going along for the first turn, we have Mayor Bulaklakin. My Jopeng is down on the inside, moving up on the outside. Asikuda, then running 3 deep is entry number 2, Tricky Charlies. Moving up on the outside, Alice Wonderland, Midnight Break, and Efira. And as they swing down the back, where Asikuda now takes command by about half length. Down on the inside is My Jopeng. In the middle portion comes Mayor Bulaklak and Efira. Moving up on the outside, then comes Alice Wonderland, Midnight Break, while Tricky Charlies now racing in less. Another far turn, we have Asikuda by length and a half. Mayor Bulaklakin in second. Nifira moving up on the outside. My Jopeng, Alice Wonderland, Midnight Break, and Tricky Charlies. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have a long shot. Asikuda by length and a half. Moving up on the outside. Now is Mayor Bulaklakin. Asikuda, Mayor Bulaklakin moves about the outside to take the lead. It's now Mayor Bulaklakin, Asikuda, Ifira, Alice Wonderland, Midnight Break.
3